Hey everybody, my name is Reginald Jeffrey and I'll be serving as your Student Senate President for the 2023-2024 school year.
Yeah, Reggie!
Hi everyone, my name is ChideraBrittney and I'm serving as the Executive VP of Student Senate.
Yeah, Chidera!
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's ChideraBrittney and today I'm going to be meal prepping. Tomorrow is my first day of nursing school of my J2 semester. So I'm going to be prepping everything I have for the week, all my meals, my breakfast and my lunch, and kind of just getting myself ready for tomorrow. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below what you're most looking forward to this school year, and we'll hop right into the video. I'm going to insert what I'm going to attempt to make. It's this TikTok that I've seen here. And basically I'm just gonna try to cook that and see if I can make it for my meal prep. It is the sweet potato nachos, as you saw in the video. Sweet potatoes, you put some ground turkey on top, bunch of veggies, some cheese, and I'm actually dairy free. So I got this plant-based cheddar style cheese that I've had a couple times. It's really good, from 365 Whole Foods Market, and we're gonna try with that. This is how my meal prep for the sweet potato nachos turned out, and I'm gonna put those onto these packages. And then I also have cucumbers to eat for each snack for each day, and then I'm gonna put an avocado, at least for the first 2 days, to eat with this. I have my overnight oats here, and I have my sweet potatoes and all that. It's 6 o'clock. It is the first day of nursing school, round 2. Let's get ready real quick. I'm listening to my lecture. Okay, y'all. So I'm just about finished getting ready. I did some CC cream, concealer, all that. And now I'm gonna put on my Rare Beauty blush. Last night, I didn't end up recording the end of the night after I made my meal prep, but I pretty much just finished my laundry and tried to look at my schedule a little bit more and stuff, and kind of write down whatever else I got going on for the week, because we do have some events for Student Senate, because I am VP. So just kind of timing that out and what the rest of my week will look like. But yeah, I forgot I have to get gas, so I need to do that and then just head to class. I was listening to that PowerPoint because they opened up the modules for the first 4 weeks, and I hadn't done that earlier. So there's 2 more. The first one was like 36 minutes, so not that long, and then the other 2 are 26 and 16. So I'm going to try to listen to it on the way to school, and then when I get there, and then I'm going to finish typing out my learning objectives document, and because that's how I study for certain classes like these. It's with adult health. I need to say some affirmations. I am healthy, I am wealthy, I am rich. Alright guys, it's 7:53. I'm at school right now. Class starts at 9. So I'm going to eat my breakfast in like 20 minutes and just look at the slides that we're going to go over and read my book. Got my overnight oats ready to eat. Still watching this.
Hey vlog, we are back with another banger video. We are here first day of class, adult health nursing. Dara sat up front, she came an hour and some change early.
Okay, are you excited?
Yes, for sure.
Okay.
Are you excited?
Am I here?
I feel neutral. I don't know what to expect.
I'm ready to get this shit done, you know?
Hi guys, we just finished class.
Oh, I'm shy. I don't know my socials yet, so you'll follow me soon.
Yes.
I'm just gonna hit the gym. I'm
I
about
am.
to hit financial aid. So I hope all goes well.
I'm at the gym now. I only have like 30 minutes because I'm gonna eat lunch with Puppy F at 12:30 because he has class at 1. So I'm just gonna do a real quick jog, run, maybe try to run a couple miles, but we'll see. Okay, let's get it started. Welcome back. It is like 4 hours later since the gym. I ate lunch, came home, showered, changed, read for like 10 minutes, and then I napped for like 40 minutes. So yeah, now it is literally almost 4 o'clock, 3:57, time flew. And now I'm just going to kind of go over my notes and stuff from today with adult health. It was kind of brief, the class today. We talked about like pre-op and post-op and intra-op with patients and like what we can do and stuff like that. So I really liked it. I also just made myself a little snack here. I got some oranges and some chim chim. Africans, Nigerians out there know what that is, but yeah. And then I'm just gonna put the orange peels here. Yeah. So I'm really just gonna start off by doing a blank page recall. Yeah, so now I'm going to write on this blank sheet of paper everything I remember from class today. Okay. 10 minutes later, I just filled this sheet of what I remember from class today. You know what, I'm gonna read it. So I said today is August 29th. Today I had Adult Health 1. Our main topic was about pre-op and post-op care. I learned that whoever is, and some of the stuff was review that we kind of went over today, but just what I remember off the top of my head. I learned that whoever is doing the surgery is when explaining it to the patients. The patient should give consent when they are aware of what's going on or are fully aware, and before any meds have been given that might make them unaware of what's going on, I guess, with like any narcotics you give or something. Is it narcotics, I think? Or any medication you give, any anesthesia medicine. Anyways, I learned that during / right before the procedure, there's something called blank. I don't remember what it is. I think it's like, I don't remember, like stop something, but it's where everyone in the room pauses to identify the patient and where the procedure is being done. This helps to avoid any confusion during the procedure. It is important to do like electrolyte labs, clotting, serum. I can't think of it, but it's with your kidneys. Like if you have too much of it, your kidneys are failing. It's supposed to see, so I'm going to check back with that. And there's another thing on that list of to do before the procedure. Post-op patients are prone to getting PUs, that they're like likely to get them, so pressure ulcers. When a patient first returns from operation, we should take their vitals. We can also put like CDs or stockings on our patients before surgery so that they will already have them on when they finish surgery. People over 65 plus are at risk during surgery. I think that's what it said. And then there's a list of risk factors I need to revisit. And then we did a case study, and smoking can lead to difficulty breathing and cardiac dysrhythmias. And then overall, patient safety is of utmost importance. So that's just what I wrote. And now I'm going to pull up the PowerPoint. I took notes on my iPad, but I also typed out the learning objectives for this lecture. So I'm going to kind of fill in that as well, and I'll show you what it looks like. So I have it just like this. I made a doc for week 1 through 4 because this was what our first exam in this class is going to be over. And then just week 1, preoperative care of patients, it's called time out. That's what I was looking for, where everyone stops and like identifies what's going on. And then post-op care. So she said we're not going to get tested a whole on intraoperative patients, but I'm still going to fill it out just because we did talk about it in class a little bit, so just knowing that information wouldn't hurt. But yeah. Okay, it is 6:55. I don't know what time I started, but maybe 4. But here is all of this done for today. I also did the Pomodoro method, so I did 45 minutes on, 5 minutes off. And yeah, So I can cross another thing off my list for tonight. I'm about to go eat some spaghetti for dinner and then get ready for bed after watching my show and reading. Got my spaghetti, the shot.